Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making these really fun heart signs that I made. I love the way these turned out. I think they turned out so beautiful. They're so simple to make, and I'm going to show you guys how to make them. These are actually little hearts that hang from the wall, and you have 3 hearts that are hanging with 3 different decorative heart designs on them. So let me show you how to make these signs. Now, what I use to create these signs are the welcome, happy Valentine's Day sign that the Dollar Tree has right now. I grabbed a whole bunch of these signs because I knew that I was going to use this for a really fun project. So these are just the welcome signs that you can actually add on a wall or, behind a door. And it's just really a fun little sign. But I wanted to make it a little bit more festive. And so that's how I came across making these. And I'm going to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my sign, and I'm going to have 3 hearts hanging from each sign. So I will say that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts in one sign. You can either cut them individually if you want. You could cut them into 2s if you want, into 3s, into whatever you want to cut them into. You're okay with doing that, okay? I'm going to cut mine into 3s. So I have 3 here, and I'm just going to cut the ribbon off. And I'm going to count from the top here, 3, and I'm going to cut this one off. So this is going to be actually an extra heart that we can maybe decorate later on. So you're going to be left with this 2, or actually these 3 hearts on this side, 3 hearts on this side. They also have these foam letters, and I kind of just very carefully pull them out because I don't want this to interfere with the heart that I'm going to be gluing down. But you do have to be very careful. And then I'm going to pull the E on this one. Okay, and there you have it. So now this is such a simple project. We are just basically going to add all these wonderful little accessories and hearts to this heart right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have these foam hearts that I've been having for a while, which are these right here. I'm going to add these foam hearts to the bottom heart. I'm just layering these down first so you can see how they look, and then I'm going to glue them down. For these, I also added 2 other hearts, which will be these little sparkly hearts. And I actually found these really fun heart wood veneers at the Dollar Tree. We'll be adding a pink heart right here and a pink heart right here. All right. For this one right here, I'm using these cute little hearts that have a face, but we are going to cover up the face. Now, if you don't want to cover up the face and leave it like that, that's perfectly fine. But I'm covering up my face. This is from the kit at the Dollar Tree, and you get 10 of these little cute, adorable hearts that you can build together, and you can create a really fun little embellishment that looks like this. All right, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use 2 of the hearts because they're big enough to cover this little imperfection. And then I'm going to use these very sparkly hearts to cover the face of my little heart. And then I'm going to put a wood veneer that says love on it. I absolutely adore these wood veneers. I got these recently at Dollar Tree, And I bought 2 packs of these, and these are just like really pretty wood veneers that says love on it. It comes in pink, in red, and in the wood tone. So I have a red one and I have a pink one. That's what we're going to do for this part of the hearts. For the top heart, I'm going to also layer a few hearts. So I'm going to layer one of these hearts, and I'm going to layer one of these hearts, and just going to be like crisscrossing each other just to cover that O. And for the W, I'm going to take out this little bow, and I'm going to cover that W. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cover one end and one end. Sometimes you are able to see a little bit the lettering, but that's okay. It's no big deal. And then I'm going to finish it off by hot gluing this onto the heart, which is a red veneer with these cute little conversational hearts, and another red veneer right here. All right. So let's glue these down so that you can see how pretty these will look. I mean, already comes out pretty, right? So beautiful. Okay, let's glue them down. So let's do the bottom first, okay? I'm going to glue this heart. And I'm going to try to cover the E as much as I can. It's not going to cover 100%, but it will do. It will do. Then I'm going to put this heart on this side, and then I'm going to put this heart on this side. And there you have the bottom part done. All right. Now we're going to move into the middle. Let's hot glue the big heart. And then I'm going to hot glue this gorgeous heart right in the center, covering the face. Again, if you don't want to cover the face, you can just add googly eyes. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't that gorgeous? And then I'm going to add this beautiful wood veneer right in the center. I'm going to hold it for a few seconds so it can glue down. And then we're going to go on to this heart right here, which is a simple one. Very, very simple. We're going to cover the O as much as we can. And then we're going to cover this end. There you go. And then we're going to add we're going to hot glue the beautiful red wood veneer heart. And then we're going to add this in the little corner of the white heart. There you go. And that, my friend, is how we're going to make this beautiful sign. I have to finish this sign, but I will do that off camera because I don't want to take too long explaining to you guys how to do this. It's the same thing anyway, so it's kind of repetitive. We don't want that, right? But look how beautiful the sign turned out. I absolutely love it. And how I use the little clippy to hang on the back is simple. Turn this around. Cut this little string so that it doesn't show. Not too much, but enough that it doesn't peek out. What we're going to do is I have here these twines that I can use as little hooks to hook them from the wall. And what I did with my little twine is I have these also conversational stickers, as you can see there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add my twine onto my conversational little sticker, just like that, kind of like giving it a little security to hold it. Then I'm going to add some hot glue and I'm going to glue this on the back of my sign so that the hooky can show and I can hook it to the wall. All right. And I'm going to add this here. Make sure that your heart does not stick out. And you're going to squish it, allowing it to glue really, 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 really well. And that is what's going to be your little hook to hook this beautiful sign on the wall. And my friends, that is how we create this beautiful sign. I love how this sign turned out. I need to finish this sign, and I'm going to be hanging these in the room, in the office, in the examination rooms. And it's going to look so beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Look how easy that was. Wasn't that simple to create? Super, super easy, right? I love it. All right, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make these really simple, adorable little signs. Remember that you can use the leftover hearts and create other embellishments as well. So make sure you don't throw that away. And I hope that this is helpful for someone. I hope that this gives you some inspiration and some ideas. I love you very, very much. And I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up. And give me a comment and let me know what you guys think about these awesome little signs. If you like them. And if you also, by the way, if you create something similar to this, make sure you guys tag me on Instagram so I can see your wonderful work. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Bye, honeys.